So, yeah, welcome. Basically, we are LIFT. LIFT is a consortium made by 11 universities and one competence center. When we were born in January, our purpose was to develop some kind of common background courses for enterprises, manufacturing enterprises, about the technologies that Industry 4.0 is pushing on. But when we drove the first surveys to collect the preliminary feedbacks over our courses, we found that there was a galaxy of companies highly knowledge greedy, and these companies were SMEs, small and medium enterprises. The interesting fact that we found is that those companies were not interested in gaining the hard skill over the technologies at all. They wanted more to solve some general issues they have and some problems they have with technology, which was mainly related to the general knowledge and the glossary. So basically they miss the proper glossary to interact with their suppliers for technology. And this could result in the fact that they might not be able to describe their problem properly or describe the technical solution they want, and entailing in buying the wrong technology, or in most cases, buying some overfitting technology for their needs. So we decided to constitute and to evolve this consortium of universities. We are gaining also partners. 2 other universities will join us next year in order to give a common foreground made of success stories they can take inspiration from, made by a strong glossary they can rely on, in order to allow those small and medium enterprises to go on the market, having answered to some basic questions already. And for example, their question could be, what is this technology? What is it for? What does it need? And do I actually need it? Maybe not.